Alright, I got here a 2015 Kia Soul. Customer complaint is, I'm not 100% sure what, but I know there's an engine light on. Maybe, I don't know, something with the throttle, or there was codes. He wasn't sure 5-volt reference. I don't know, a little bit of a language barrier. I'm not exactly sure what the problem was, but he said the engine light on. The engine light's on and there's very little throttle. Yeah, it feels very slow. Alright, let's do a scan. Search. Okay, US area. Do a smart scan. Alright, so we got one code in the ECM. Fuel rail system pressure too low. Well, yeah, that would make it not run also. Let me just get some data on this. This has a high pressure fuel pump, so this for sure a sensor on the rail. Alright, ECM. Live data. Just type in fuel. Fuel rail pressure sensor voltage. I think there's one that's fuel tank, fuel rail pressure set. So that's a set point. That's the voltage of the thing. Now there should be one that's also filtered, I think, that tells us the actual fuel pressure of the car. I don't know why I remember that. Filtered, maybe? Filtered. Filtered rail pressure, real value. Yeah. I've dealt with this multiple times in the past. Oh, wait. With this scan tool, you have to go back. Okay, now we'll have all three. So we got 87 psi, 0.61 of fuel pressure, and the set point's supposed to be 580. So that's what we're getting a low pressure code. If I raise the RPM, the set point goes up. You see that to 1,000, but our pulse does not move at all. So this is running right now. This is running on low pressure fuel. This is standard. I've had this many times. 87. I even think I know what's wrong with this car. If he put in a new engine, I know exactly what's wrong with this car, but I don't know if he put a new engine in, so let's go see. Alright, is this engine new? It definitely looks new. Look how shiny it is. Yeah, it's for sure a new engine. You know what's wrong with this car? I'm going to bet that in here, the new engines don't come with a tappet on top of the cam that will, so this is not being pushed at all. So that's why there's no pressure in here, I'm assuming. Alright, I'm going to shut the car, relieve the fuel pressure, and we're going to check. Inside here, I'm going to unscrew the fuel pump, and there's probably going to be missing the bucket on top of it. Let's see. Okay. Alright. Top this off. And now, for this, push that in, and like that. Okay, it's going to squirt. Safety squints. I don't want to break. Alright, now we're going to unbolt this over here, and there's two screws here going into it, 2 10s, and we'll pop the fuel pump out. Alright. Oh man, I dropped the bolt. I hope it went all the way down. Yeah, I gotta loosen this. I think it's a 19. I have absolutely no confidence. I got a 17, 18, and a 19. Was I right? Was it the 19? Yes, it was. That is. Alright, too bad I'm out of rags. So. Okay, and if you look, you see that? That's the cam right here, and it's in the up position, but there's no, like, there's supposed to be a little bucket on top of it, and it's missing. That pushes this up. That's why this will fit in pretty much without compressing the spring at all. Yeah, it just fits in without screws. Usually you have to put it in evenly because it's pushing against the spring. I'm gonna call the guy, see if he has the old engine. We can pop it out. It must be he put a brand new engine in, because the brand new engines don't come with it. Usually when people put new engines, it has it. I'm also gonna find that bolt I dropped. All right, let me call him. All right, he does not have the old engine. I guess they took the core back, so I'm putting it back. I sent him a video of what it needs. It's called a cam follower. I just don't want to leave this in case he starts it up. So I'll put it all the way back, and I gotta go find the missing screw. Let me just show you a picture. This is what's missing. It's called a camshaft follower. It's a little piece that fits in between. So that's all this thing needs. Well, I found the missing screw. It's right there, on top of the exhaust header. Nice. All right. Thanks for watching.